A bike part scam, how the illegal action is costing taxpayers like you millions and probably billions. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Cops out west struggle with overflow after bike taxi seizures.
The PNP report questioning what party members did with funds they acquired for elections.
A follow-up on the Seaview Garden St. Andrews sewage woes.
Faith pen vendors face challenge in relocating to Chinese-built road.
In the business day, Red Stripe ready to resume exports to the United States.
There's also a ray of hope, sports post commentary and primetime weather in this edition of Primetime News. But before the break, the feedback question.
What was your most memorable moment of the Rio Olympics?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet @television jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.